I don't think he's excited.
Oh, God.
You like the... Oh!
Boy, we had a time last night. Boy, we...
Treat.
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magno!
Sit down. Sit.
Come on. Let's go shake off outside. Frank. Oh.
Hey! The true... Oh.
You want extra sauce?
Be the highlighter.
Come on. Come on.
You want a pet? Too bad. Lauren is the best.
Did you? Who has the prettiest smile? Rio. Smile.
Can you repeat after me? Okay, can you say hello?
Hey, Blaze. You ready to go take your bath?
You whisper bark. You go woof. Yeah, like that. Woof. Good job.
No! Yeah. Oh. Sweetheart, she cannot throw the ball yet.
Oh, cows. Cows. Cows.
Not allowed on the bed, you.
No! Yeah. Oh.
Come on out.
That sounds like she said no.
What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? Get out of there. You're not a cat.
Oh my God!
Marley,
What do you think you're doing? No.
You wanna go eat? Come on.
Уже никто не обрезает, она.
Rari. Rari.
Who's flip-flop? Who's cuddling with my flip-flop?
Oh, Papa, like that. Tiny.
Guys, you're so cute. Oh my gosh. Goofy. Oh my god.
Where's your ball, Gare? Where's your big ball? That's my boy.
You kind of stink. Can you fix your face? Ew.
Oakley, come here. Come here. Oh my god, don't move.
Jeez. Hey.
骑上我心爱的小摩托。
I didn't give birth to you. You're adopted.
Do you mind?
Who's that? No, don't sit down. Paxton, please. Let's go. Please. Paxton, please. Please, I got work in 15 minutes.
He wants a totally normal peanut butter cracker. I do.
Oh my god, my Shayla.
How you doing, brother? Doing good?
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How you doing, brother? Nice to meet you.
Dog? Dog? Who is this?
Get it.
Agua.
Hey Bruno, you don't see the problem with that?